Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make Sukhi Puri today.
But before we begin, make sure that you've subscribed and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started.
Boil in mashed potatoes and add it into a clean bowl. You can add salt while boiling potatoes. To this add finely chopped onions, chaat masala powder, red chilli powder, some salt to taste. Also add green chutney and mix everything well. The basic filling for Pani Puri is ready.
You'll also need these puris. These puris are easily available in Indian markets. Done these puris and set them aside. Once they are ready, let's do the filling.
Fill these puris with the namkeen mixture that you just made. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves on it.
Sprinkle some save on top, onions if needed. Also, don't forget to sprinkle some chaat masala powder and a pinch of salt.
Layering is completely left up to your choice. You can layer any ingredient as per your mood. And the Sukhi Puri is ready.
I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. The links are below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.